Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MaxSun GeForce RTX 4070 with 5 fans. So friend, the MaxSun RTX 4070 is a unique graphics card built on foundation of previous MGG releases, and friend, although this is technically the world's first RTX 4070 with 5 fans, MaxSun holds the record on multiple SKUs already thanks to its MGG series spanning across 4090, 4080 and 4070 series. The 4070 non-TI is the latest and most likely the last release from this series. Comprising 3 primary fans, the card features 2 smaller fans on one side oriented to direct airflow away from the motherboard, and this design decision is supposed to limit the amount of hot air being pushed towards the motherboard and components like M.2 storage, which is typically close to the GPU. And friend, under the cooler, there is a large heat sink with 7,000 m² heat dissipation area connected to 9 heat pipes and vapor chamber. Both partners typically reverse vapor chamber cooling to the most high-end models built in this case, and the card is built upon the RTX 4070 Ti design with slightly higher TDP, but it still seems like an overkill for a 215 watt model, and the RTX 4070 MGG design is of high quality with powerful VRM, full metal body and the removable RGB nameplate, and the card adopts a 3-slot design necessitating a single 16-pin power connector. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.